We got a new product testing study here. Thank you for participating. The survey will take about 3 to 5 minutes to complete. Please answer all of the actual experiences and situation. Which country you're from. You're going to put whatever country you're from. Your age category, whether you're 18 to 25 or 25, whatever age category you are, you're going to select that. You're going to select your gender, whether you have what best describes your hearing status. Looks like they're probably testing like it's going to be like a hearing sample if you not don't hear real. No hearing loss. Might not select you. Who knows? And then you have what is the relationship with Strokes band? Um, don't if you never use that, that's okay. Very positive or very negative, whatever you want to pick. Would you be willing to participate in the Strokes research programs or study? You can select yes or no, putting your first name and last name. So and then you're gonna submit it, and then they're gonna select you, probably based on whether you know about that product or not. Not everybody's gonna get selected. It's a first come first serve, so please do. You do get paid $250 after the study is over with. That's how they advertised it, but more to come on that. And hopefully someone gets selected. And I will see you guys in another video. Have a great day.